double. I expected a few twists, but that was one as far as I know.
Congratulations on winning the tournament. You're an impressive fighter. I know that you'll be a great influence on my Johnny. Why, you might even end up having a friendly rivalry. You can spur each other to greater heights. I can see it. You two will become great friends, the best of friends.
But that's what makes it so much more exciting, right? Oh, double or nothing! You know, the winners of the tournament.
It's been so long since I felt that excited about something.
Listen, okay? I'm telling you, I'm gonna shit rat Hey, this is serious shit.
Took my wallet. Can't trust it.
Come on, asshole! Hurry the hell up! I feel like shit.
Stupid town can kiss my ass.
Not if you don't make it out of here alive first.
Thank you. I signed with Shinya Records a while back, but I'm still looking for my first big hit. It's been 7 years now. Not easy, but you gotta do what you love. And I love to sing. This is a new song of mine. Maybe it'll be that number one.
Top of the charts, baby, here you come!
Doctor tell you lay off the booze. Worry about your own health instead of the planet's.
Can't have just one. The more you eat, the better they get. Fresh chocobo bean popcorn.
Huh?
Look, a Type 60 tank.
God, had something about it?
Shinra Remake. Oh, I'd be pleased to have that.
This thing here, it's called a...
That old weapons vendor's a total weirdo. Love that guy.
Welcome. Are you in need of accommodations?
Oh, shit. Must have fallen asleep or something.
Oh, this is what I get for being a cheapskate. A room with a hooligan. Don't know about you, but this place sure is a lot weirder than I thought it'd be.
Yeah? What did you expect?
You know, something less...
Huh? What's that? Not working, you say?
Relax, man. Relax.
You're here. Good. I have everything I need to get started. Just one thing before we do. You're the Cloud, right? Cloud the Merc. I'm told you did a wonderful job helping the people of Sector 5. You have a very impressive work ethic. It's like they say, good things come to those who work. What goes around comes around, and in ways that might surprise you. I'm gonna put Aerith in the most gorgeous dress you've ever seen. It'll be a real jaw-dropper. All right, now that that's out of the way, once you change, you won't be able to leave town. Are you sure you're ready? Huh? Don't waste my time. If you Like I said, once... Alright then, let's get started. Beauty takes a lot of work and preparation. Far more than you'd know. In the meantime, let me think. You look like you haven't experienced the best of what this town has to offer. That really won't do.
Not interested.
Then maybe you can show the town what you have to offer instead. Which is to say, why don't you try putting those finely honed mercenary skills of yours to good use here in Wall Market? I have a few little requests that you might be able to help out with. I gave that hand extra special treatment. Now get out there and show me what you can do with it. And that's enough of that. Aerith, come with me.
Oh boy, I can't wait to see the dress.
The dress is part of it, sure. But we'll also need to do something about that plain Jane makeup and hairdo. This is gonna take some work.
Ouch. Well, I'll see you later, Cloud.
Peek, and I'll poke out your eyes.
Oh, this place is full up, too.
Maybe this is the one.
Cloud, been waiting for you to show up. Thanks for coming, and welcome to our humble training hall.
Jules, head trainer. If you've got some time to spare, how about a little bit of fun? Want to try taking on one of our guys?
You're not serious, are you? Look at him. He's a scrawny little thing. I could snap him like a twig.
Now. I wouldn't judge this one by his muscle mass. What do you say, Cloud? If you want to give it a go, just let me know. So, you up for a round?
Ha! You're taking me on? You look like a dried up old terpsichore left out in the sun. You got no idea what you're getting into, little man.
All right, enough talk. We'll settle this the tried and true traditional way. A squat off. Now, let's all see what you've got.
You ready to do this?
Your form's looking good. Not bad at all. You've got this. Come on. I knew you could do it. That's how it's done. You've got this. Come on. Your form's looking good. Not bad at all. Your form's looking good. You've got this. Come on. I knew you could do it. That's how it's done. Not bad at all. You've got this. Come on. That's the best you can do. Your form's looking good. Not bad at all. I knew you could do it. That's how it's done. You've got this. Come on. That's how it's done. Not bad at all. Your form's looking good. I knew you could do it.
Nothing to it.
Ah! Ow! How the hell did I lose to this scrawny little kid who looks like he doesn't even consume his daily recommended amount of protein?
Ronnie, you know it's all about quality, not mass. You're too quick to judge people by their build. That and your overtrained ego are the main reasons you lost to our bold challenger here.
Thanks for helping me teach my boys a valuable lesson. And sorry for dragging you into it. Cloud, we're all one big family here at this gym. And now you're part of it. If you're ever up for training, our doors are always open to you. Let's work together to maintain healthy minds and bodies.
Fight through the pain.
If you're ever in the mood for another workout, just talk to Jay or Ronnie.
You wanna go, do ya? All right then, bring it on! Bringing everything I've got.
Not bad at all. Your form's looking good. That's how it's done. You've got this. Come on. Yeah! Feel the burn! Your form's looking good. That's how it's done. Not bad at all. You've got this. Come on. You two are doing awesome. Your form's looking good. That's how it's done. I knew you could do it. Not bad at all. Your form's looking good. Let me see you do this. Come on. That's how it's done. I knew you could do it. Not bad at all. Your form. Come on. I know you've got more to give. I knew you could do it. Not bad at all. You've got this. Come on. I have faith in you. Don't forget to breathe. I knew you could do it. You've got this. Come on. Not bad at all. Your form's looking good. Come on. I know you've got more to give. That's how it's done. I knew you could do it.
No! You did it. You really beat me. You gotta be in incredible shape.
It's unfair that you guys are having all the fun. What do you say? May I have this squat?
Is that all you got? Like hell it is. Oh, that's enough for one day.
You up for some exercise?
Okay, let's have some fun.
You're better than I thought.
Slow and steady. 1, 2. Who'd have thought it'd be this close? 2.
I believe in you.
You are in the zone.
So how much training do you do? Oh, I can hear your muscles crying out in joy and pain. Better than I thought.
You are in the zone.
Yeah, Jewel. Show that sissy how I believe in you.
Who'd have thought it'd be this close?
How much training do you do? Oh man, who's gonna win this one? You are in us! I believe in you!
You can do it, Jules! We're rooting for you! Poetry in motion.
You're better than I thought.
Who'd have thought it'd be this?
I can't get enough of those beautiful muscles!
How much training do you...
You are in us!
I believe in you!
Woo!
Yeah, Jules! Show that sissy how it's
Poetry in
done!
motion.
You're better than I thought.
Who'd have thought it'd be this?
You are in us!
Oh man, who's gonna win this one? I believe!
Poetry in motion.
How much training do you...
Who'd have thought it'd be this?
I can hear your muscles crying out in joyous pain!
You are in us!
I believe in you!
Poetry in motion. You can do it, Jules! We're rooting for you!
Was never in doubt. I had no idea how strong you really were. You truly are something, aren't you? Listen up, everyone. We can be stronger, better. Let's hit those weights.
You got it, Jules!
This rip took a lot of blood, sweat, and tears.
It's absolutely legendary. Whoa. My muscles ache just looking at it.
Chocobo bean popcorn here.
Oh, so you're the new merc looking for work in Wall Market. Maybe you can help us sort this out. Some criminals have stolen a shipment of donations bound for the Leaf House. The fiends!
The culprit is none other than the notorious Angel of the Slums. People worship her as some kind of folk hero, but there's no denying she's the one that done did it. I mean, look at this calling card. The Garden Angle 3? Well, they must have meant to write Guardian Angel.
Oh, come on, Garden Angle! Listen to me. I guarantee this is not the work of the Angel. I saw it with my own eyes. 3 shady-looking types wandering around, scouting their mark, I bet.
Well, if you're so sure, then bring them here. Prove to me this wasn't the work of your beloved Guardian Angel.
You heard the man, Merc. I've got to find those thieves to clear the Angel's name, and I need your help to do it. She would never, ever do anything to harm the less fortunate. Find the 3 I saw and bring them here to me. They ran off toward the old expressway on the other side of Evergreen Park.
The Garden Angel strikes again! Suckers! And all it took was 1 fake card. Too easy.
Sucks to be you, Miss Angel, but we're stealing your name.
Hey, it's you!
What the hell are you doing coming after us?
Shit! Play dead! Play dead!
Shut up! It's too late for that! Bring it! We're ready for you this time! Wakey, wakey! Time to shine! Check out this brick shithouse! We picked him up at the Coliseum! Gonna pay you back double, nah, quadruple for what you've done to us.
What's a druple? What are we doing?
Shut up! We're kicking Blondie's ass for being an ass!
Here we go. Too bad. Get ready. I see you. That'll do. Sloppy.
You'll get yours. What the hell are you doing coming after us?
Shit! Play dead! Play dead!
Shut up! Wakey, wakey! Gonna pay you back.
What's a
All right. Allow me. Here we go. Still in it. Come on. Let's do this. All right. Shit. Hope you're ready. It's on now. Come on! Let's try that again. No holding back. Enough. Yeah. Get ready. It's over. Now. Sloppy. It's on now. Going in. See
See ya. You're coming with me.
These are the angels of the slums?
Oh man, you're real stupid! We're the Garden Angels! Get it right!
Shut your trap, moron! Huh. You don't honestly think that the beloved angel of the slums could be any of these three idiots, do you?
Nah, I recognize the masks. These guys are just small-time crooks who've been pestering folks around here for a minute. Should've listened to you earlier. Sorry about this.
Well, you should be sorry. I'll consider us square, once you've taught these boys a lesson.
Deal. All right, get moving.
Hey, watch it! Not so rough, you lummox! Yeah, you lummox, you lummox!
So what about the donations? Do you need help taking them to the Leaf House?
Kind of you to offer, but I can manage on my own. I know these streets like the back of my hand. Better, even.
It's the angel of the slums! She took the darn stuff! He's gonna be pissed!
Well, I'll be seeing you. Thanks to you, we can put this mess behind us. I'm grateful.
Guardian Angel of the Slums. Radiant Defender of the Downtrodden? Huh. Wonder if I'm an accomplice. That's enough of that. Should probably get back to Madam M's.
One more!
Step right up, step right up.
This is
It's
what
the
he said
bullet.
to me. Isn't it?
Why, hey there, champ! Got word from Madam M. She said you had time to kill before Aerith's ready for the big event. So, what do you say to taking on a little extra work while you're waiting around? We've got a hell of a lot of fans clamoring to see their favorite champ go another round or 10. And something tells me they're not gonna rest until they see you kick ass again. Now get on down to the Coliseum ASAP!
I drank too much.
Hey, look, it's the champ! You know what to do. Take the elevator and head on down. I can't wait to see you fight.
Here he is, the man of the hour. Stands are packed thanks to you. Now get out there and give him a show. This challenger wanted another fight at the champ. One of Sam's favorite machines of mayhem, Cuddy! He's been sharpening his blades and dreaming of payback. Can our champ come out on top again? Fighters, begin!
Here we go. Floppy. Too bad. Sloppy. I see you. Gotcha. Try me. Gotcha. That's it. Here it comes. You're done. It's over.
Our champ stands victorious once more! Cloud wins! Cuddy's quest for sweet revenge has ended in bitter defeat!
Very nicely done. Here's your cut. You earned it.
Wait, you're here? What about Aerith?
My people are working on her hair right now. I thought I'd take the opportunity to drop by and watch her match. I have to admit, I never get tired of seeing Sam's precious toys take a beating.
All right.
I can tell by your hands you've come a long way. They're the hands of a fighter who has found new purpose. A woman or two? I wonder.
Just doing what I've always done.
Anyway, Aerith should be finishing up soon. I'll go on ahead to check on her. Whenever you're ready, come back to the parlor.